Hi, welcome to my channel Takniki Gyan Guru. Today we will discuss how to install C and C++ in VS Code. So let's get started. First of all, we need to go to some instructions where we can see how we can install the VS Code. So we need to click on this URL. It will open to a new browser called https code.visualstudio.com/docs/languages/cpp. Here you can find step by steps how to install VS Code. So let's start first. We need to install a C++ extension into our VS Code. Let's do that. So go to your extension and type C++ here. You can see you need to install this C++ extension for Visual Studio. Install it. It will take some time to install. In the meantime, we can go and see the next instruction here. Once it is done, we need to once the extension is done, then we need to set up the environment for C++. For that, we need to check whether the C++ is installed or not. Let's copy this one and go to Visual Studio. That is already installed. Open a new terminal. It is taking some time, and paste it here. If the G++ is showing do not show any error, that means the C++ is already installed. This compiler is already installed. Otherwise, we need to install this compiler in your system. So let's go and install the compiler. We need to go to open another tab, clicking by this one. It is it will download the MinGW-X64 for Windows. That is a C++ compiler that is already installed in my download folder. Click on this MS62-X64. Once you click on this exe, that will start installing. I'm not changing any folder. You can change over here wherever you want. You just browse and change the folder where you want to install it. So I'm just taking the default folder and the menus, where if you want to have some shortcut menus, you can select anyone. I am not doing anything, just default setting I will choose. And if you see, it will install your packages into the selected folders, and it will open a console window where you need to do some changes, right? You need to run this command so that the compiler will install. I'm just copying this one. Still in process. Let's wait for some time. Once it is done, then then it will open some command windows, command prompt where we need to run this command. So now the setup is completed. Now click on finish. It will take some time to open the command prompt. So it will open a new command prompt. If by chance you close this command prompt, there is a way to open this shell again. So let's close this command prompt. I will show you how to open and execute this command from my another command prompt, right? So let's close it, copy this command, and we go to C drive, and we have installed into mysys.6. This is the folder we have installed, and open C64 application, this one. Now paste the command from the browser and enter. It will take some time to install the compiler, C++ compiler into your system. So let's wait for some time. So I want to install all these mentioned into the screen. Let's by default I'm installing all, right? Proceed. I want to proceed, so you type yes, and it will install the compiler to my system. Now the installation is done, so let's check the compiler is already installed or not. I guess we need to open a new window, otherwise it will not show you. Let's open a command prompt. Let's see. Once it is done, okay, we need to set the path of this into our environment variable. So click on Windows button and search for environment variable, edit environment variable. Click on this, add environment variable and go to in the system variable, go to the path and edit and add new one, paste this one, say okay, and okay. Now go to VSCode, open a new terminal again. My god, what happened? Let's open a new command prompt. Yeah. Now you can see the Jeep compiler is ready. I guess you need to restart this Visual Studio Code to have this G++, I guess. Yeah, you have to restart it. So let's close this one. Visual Studio Code is closed. Now you can reopen it. I'm just clicking on this. Open. Now it is taking some time. Okay. Now you need to open a new terminal. And run your G++ version. Yeah, now you can see the G++ compiler is ready for use. You can create your C and C++ program and run it. You can so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll bring you a new topic where we can create some C++ program and run it. And also I will come with some C#, how to install C# in Visual Studio and run some program. Thank you so much. Bye.